TekSavvy Mobile Honest App. The pros, the cons. Managing your mobile account with TekSavvy has never been easier, or so the app promises. But is it truly efficient? One of the biggest pros is account management. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app only shows your balance. With TekSavvy Mobile, you can view usage, pay bills, monitor data consumption, and track past payments all in one place. Notifications alert you to upcoming bills or unusual usage, helping avoid surprises. The app also allows plan management and upgrades. You can adjust your services, check promotions, and see detailed breakdowns of your data, calls, and text usage. This level of control is especially useful for households or users on shared plans. Security is robust, with secure login, encrypted transactions, and real-time alerts for account activity. For customers juggling multiple lines, the app streamlines management in a way that desktop portals often complicate. However, there are cons. Some users report slow load times and occasional app crashes, particularly during updates or network congestion. Certain features, like international roaming management or detailed billing statements, may still require logging into the web portal. In conclusion, the TekSavvy mobile app is excellent for anyone wanting hands-on control of their account. The surprising truth is that while it handles everyday account tasks well, more complex adjustments are better suited to the desktop experience. For anyone who values convenience, monitoring usage, and managing payments on the go, TekSavvy Mobile delivers a practical, secure, and user-friendly app experience.